Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your Notion calendar quickly and easily so you can collaborate with teammates, friends, or family members without missing important meetings, deadlines, or events. Notion Calendar is a powerful productivity tool that helps people organize schedules, manage projects, and coordinate activities in one place. One of its most useful features is calendar sharing, which allows multiple people to stay updated in real time. Instead of constantly sending messages or reminders manually, you can simply share your calendar and keep everyone informed automatically. To get started, open your Notion Calendar application and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once the calendar loads, look toward the right-hand side of the screen. This section contains several collaboration and sharing features that help you manage access and invite other users. You should see an option labeled Invite or Invite Teammates. Click on it to begin the sharing process. Notion keeps this process simple and beginner-friendly, making it easy even if this is your first time using the platform. After clicking the Invite option, a window will appear asking for the email address of the person you want to add. Carefully type in their email address and continue. If you want to share the calendar with multiple people, you can also add several email addresses at once. This feature is especially useful because invited users gain access to the live calendar rather than receiving a screenshot or exported copy. Depending on the permissions you allow, they may be able to view events, create new entries, edit schedules, or collaborate directly within the calendar. This makes teamwork and planning much more efficient. For example, if you're managing a project with coworkers, everyone can stay updated on meetings and deadlines automatically. If you're organizing personal activities like family events, travel plans, or study schedules, shared calendars help reduce confusion and keep everyone on the same page. Once invitations are sent, the invited users will receive an email notification with instructions for joining the calendar. If someone says they didn't receive the invitation, double-check the email address for spelling mistakes, because even a small typo can prevent delivery. Another important feature in Notion Calendar is the ability to add participants to individual events. To do this, create a new event by clicking the plus icon or selecting the Create Event button. Then enter the event details, such as the title, date, time, location, and any notes you want participants to see. Inside the event settings, you'll find a section called Participants. This allows you to add specific people to that event. Simply type their name or email address, and Notion will usually suggest matching contacts automatically. Adding participants is very helpful because it ensures only the relevant people receive notifications and reminders for that specific event. This keeps calendars organized while improving communication and collaboration. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share a Notion calendar and collaborate more effectively with others. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.